Alright guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about IGTv. Well, remember one thing that I was telling you in most of my videos, that the more time people spend on Instagram, the better it is. And IGTv is one of the type of the content that triggers people to stay longer on your content. So the more time people spend on your Instagram page watching, exploring your content, the better it is for the algorithm to grow your Instagram account. I have made already a lot of videos about IGTv, how to use it, about the dimensions, technical parts, how to edit IGTv. So make sure to watch all of these videos. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. And in today's video, we're gonna, explore the possibilities of IGTv, and we'll go through some tips and tricks how to make your IGTv work for your content. Instagram really appreciates the users who are using all of its features, and IGTv is one of these features. So in overall Instagram strategy, IGTv should be included into this for sure. Try to mix up content, static image, animated video, IGTv Reels, live videos. About those two we talk a little bit later. The first thing that I want you to know about IGTv is the audience retention. Audience retention is the amount of time spent on your content, and IGTv doesn't work like YouTube. That doesn't mean that on IGTv watching really long videos, on relatively long videos on Instagram, people spend as much time as on YouTube. Do not confuse it. The average audience retention time is 4 to 5 minutes on watching IGTv. So do not make these videos way too long. In terms of ideas, what kind of ideas you can come up, and sometimes people are like, I don't know what to make my IGTv about. There's really tons of ideas that can come up. Let's say you are selling eco products. Many people don't really know what's the benefits of using eco product versus normal products, how it would benefit their life, or they do not know how they can use it. So please share all this information. It can be behind the scenes, it can be how you pack your products, customer testimonials and all that stuff. If you are an influencer, that can be also included into the overall Instagram strategy on IGTv. If you're an influencer, it depends on which kind of niche. If you're in traveling niche, you can make your traveling vlogs, you can make, I don't know, like if you're a makeup artist or you want to show makeups, that's like really amazing IGTv content. You can show styling videos and all that stuff. Please include all of this into the video. The other thing that I want you to know is never shoot your videos in horizontal formats like you watch YouTube videos like this one. This is a horizontal format. We are used to consume Instagram content in the vertical dimension, so it's really important that you shoot your videos like this, not like this. For IGTv, I like to use this little thing which costs like $5, not more, and it can flip, so you can put your phone over here, flip it, put it somewhere where you have good lighting, and start shooting your IGTv. In terms of apps that you can use for IGTv, one of my favorite one is Clip-O-Matic. Clip-O-Matic does transcribe what you're saying in your video and transcribe it right to the captions, because many people are watching videos, whether it's Instagram stories or IGTv, on mute. So it's really crucial that you use captions in your videos so people can really understand you. If you have talking head in your video just when you walk and you talk, it's important to include captions. How it works, and we're just gonna go ahead and find Clip-O-Matic. It's not a free app, you have to pay for it, but it doesn't cost a lot of money. So on the top of the screen, you can choose the language. It's really a lot of languages. You can use your language in which you make, I don't know, your content on Instagram. On the left-hand side, you have a possibility to choose different types of the caption, and we're just gonna leave it like this, and I'm just gonna start recording. So, hello, this is a tutorial, and we just want to check how it works. All right, it's done, and we just can start watching it. All right, if you have rewatched it and you see that there is a mistake, sometimes it does not work 100% precise, but pretty precise actually. You can just double click on the caption and change 1 or 2 words if it didn't transcribe it well, or you just want to change it to another word. You can go ahead and click save. In terms of editing, especially when it comes to editing on your phone, my favorite app is InShot. I'm gonna show you how it works, just few functions. And from my point of view, InShot is the most powerful app by far, and it's available for iOS and Android. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and choose any kind of video. I'm just gonna go ahead and click new. I'll choose video right here, click yes. All right, so the first thing we're gonna choose canvas. This is a format of the video. I'm gonna choose 9:16 vertical format. The other thing, I'm just gonna delete this one, the watermark, remove this for once. The next thing is, for example, I wanna cut a certain part of my video, and I'm just gonna click ahead and click split and cut whatever I want to cut. Other thing that you can add is text. Let's say I'm just gonna write hey. You can change the font, you can change the color, even add transition to your text. Just save it like this, place it wherever you want, and in the timeline you can put your text to another direction. You can make it a little bit shorter or a bit longer, or just where you want it to pop up. We're just gonna keep it like this. You can add music, you can add stickers, you can add picture from your camera roll, and whenever you're happy with the result, you can just go ahead and click save. Now I want to show you how you can upload IGTv on Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and click plus button, IGTv, and then I'm gonna choose the video. All right, so let's choose this one. Videos for IGTv should be 1 minute longer, more than 1 minute longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and click next. Here you can choose the cover. I don't like personally to choose the shot from the video as a cover. I like to use it from the camera roll. Let's choose that one, something like this. You can add it and make your covers in Canva or other apps to make it looks even nicer and clickable. Write title, hey, and the description. Well, in the description, you can place any kind of links, and this links is going to be clickable, which is pretty cool if you want to, if you're talking about specific product or you want to drive people from your video to a specific link, just include here the link and it's going to be clickable. You can add it to stories, series, not stories, series. Let's say if you are making 2 types of videos, makeup videos as well as videos about styling, you can make 2 different series and add it to any kind of series that you have. Here you have to edit preview, because preview is whenever you publish IGTv on Instagram, you have to publish it as well on your feed, right? So you probably have seen once you were watching IGTv that the first 15 seconds is shown in the feed, and then you get this pop-up button, watch more. That is one of the really important steps to trigger people to watch your IGTv, the full one. The 15 seconds is previewed in your feed, or whether your video IGTv got on the explore page, it's going to be like only 15 seconds previewed there, and then people will decide whether click on it or not. So here you have to be really careful and make your video as catchy as possible. This 15 seconds, the best practices is to cut the best part of your video and put it in the beginning, so people have an idea what this video is going to be about and they want to watch it further. Let's say you are doing makeup tutorial, show the first 15 seconds, the final result, so people can look through the whole IGTv and learn how to do this makeup. This is just an example. Since it's going to be shown as like an Instagram post, not the format of IGTv, it's going to be cut. Just make sure that you place it where, I don't know, the most visible part of your video. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click save, and make sure to keep this button on, post a preview, because that's pretty crucial. Not many people actually go specifically to the IGTv tab to watch IGTv. They normally go from preview, from the feed to IGTv. In advanced settings, you can check business partner. We're not going to do that, and just go ahead and click post. I hope this was a useful tutorial for you about using IGTv, and please do not underestimate the power of IGTv, because you can, as I said, make your users to stay longer on your page and provide them even more valuable content. What I have learned so far is that through the video, especially if it's talking head video, if you're showing who you are on the videos, people tend to have tighter connection with you as a person, rather than it's just an image, because the image doesn't build a strong relationship with you and your audience, unlike the video, because through the video you cannot, you cannot really Photoshop too much. You can just be yourself, and this is the coolest part of the video, is the power of the video. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow in the next tutorial, and we're gonna start making carousel posts.